Probably have to be Sinqua, because me and Sinqua are really good homies. Like, that's my dog. So I feel like we'd be able to navigate it well. But we're both over 6 foot, so we probably won't be able to pull off the crime. So, like, we might need to get Chloe in there. And maybe Miles, too, because Miles could talk his way out of a fire like me. So we might be able to just assemble a little crew and get something done.
Sam Jackson is so iconic to me, and I think to the rest of the world. If Sam called me and said, I can't tell you what it is, but we're going to steal it, I'm already outside at the car like, come on, let's go.
Bitch don't bleed on my seats. Period.
I can't even tell you because it would be a spoiler. But there is a scene that might make you shed a single Denzel Washington thug tear. Real ones know. If you know, you know.
I think a beautiful time. Like, the aesthetic is dope, the clothes are amazing, the jargon is 70s, but also you're learning about a story that you didn't know about, and it's a true story, you know? So I think that it should really invigorate people when they watch it.
Whatever day it is right now, make sure that you go look at Fight Night. Even if it's 1,200 years after it premiered, watch it again, damn it. Peacock.